My heart's beating inside my chest. My lungs breathing the oxygen. But I need something more than this to keep me alive. I'm so sick of wasting time, living life like I'm half alive. I'm done believing these evil lies that tell me hopes and dreams have died. I can feel it in the air tonight, way up above these city lights. There's a higher calling on all our lives. Let's live to love, not just survive. Wake up, what are we waiting for? We know that we were made for more. We're not living just 'cause we were born. There's no doubt about it. We were born to live.
I'm a big fan of whip.
Born to live.
So beautiful here.
There it goes like a lightning flash. Seconds pass and don't come back. Make every moment a memory to last. Life short, it moves too fast. Each breath is a gift from above. New mercy for me to receive. I become speechless. See the sun coming up. Fall to my knees. Surrender to love. Wake up, what are we waiting for? We know that we were made for more. We're not living just 'cause we were born. We were born to live. Born to live. Born to live. My heart's beating inside my chest. My lungs breathing the oxygen. But I know I am more than this. What's the point if